Here's the thing. When I'm in the zone, I want to code. I want to feel productive without being interrupted. Not understanding what my code does is a major interruption. There are 5 ways to make code self-explanatory, to make it easier to understand without having to read external documentation or consulting with colleagues. 5 ways to stay in the zone. First, think about names. Don't use abbreviations without a very good reason. Prefer to write longer variable and function names if it means that you don't have to think twice about what something does. Second, use types. They provide certainty and take away doubt. A type variable explains a lot about itself just by having a type, and omitting them causes doubt and distraction. Third, use comments, but make sure they don't become a distraction. Reading comments is much better than having to look up documentation on a website or README, but you have to make sure each comment has earned its right to be there. It must add value. So don't write comments when they simply repeat information that was already clear from the code itself. 4. Readability. The theme in many of my previous videos. Readable code is valuable. Whether we're talking about the placement of a curly bracket, using tabs, typography, or color schemes, make sure your code is as easy as possible to read. Finally, simplicity. Prefer code that is dumb but clear instead of clever. It's okay to write a couple of extra lines. You don't need that fancy one-liner. You won't understand it 2 days from now anyway. Programming is a difficult job. Make sure you do everything you can to make it easier. Start practicing self-explanatory code. I think of it as an art.